Every year, millions of dogs are killed, abused, and hurt by their owners. But you can change that. All you have to do is go to puppypledge.webelieve.com and you could save a life.
Put all your valuable items on the table and get away from it. Go in that corner over there. Yes! Oh! Good job, hamster! Woo!
What many people don't know is that dogs actually are very great protectors, and they also are great people to help find stuff. Look for Rowan, Famster!
Hamster, you found me. I'm safe now.
And did you also know that the #1 inspiration for songs are, you guessed it, dogs. Dogs are our saviors because of their good behavior, and the canines because they're so fine. All of these people have already pledged to Puppy Pledge.
I pledge the puppy pledge.
I pledge for Puppy Pledge.
We pledge for puppy pledge.
Pledge to Puppy Pledge.
I pledge for Puppy Pledge.
I pledge the Puppy Pledge.
I pledge the Puppy Pledge.
I
pledge the Puppy Pledge. And you can too.